Here, our toilets are made to the highest of standards. First, we begin with the moulding process, which takes the raw ingredients and forms them into the shape of each design. Next, each item undergoes a thorough drying process to ensure they build strength. Once dried, all products are carefully prepared for glazing, which adds a durable, shiny surface that is easy to clean. The glaze is thoroughly applied to all visible surfaces. Our toilets are then prepared for heating. A red dye, which disappears during this process, is applied to each item to ensure it heats evenly. Our items are placed into the oven where temperatures reach 1220 degrees centigrade. A number of rigorous checks are carried out during the production process to ensure each item and the raw materials we use meet the strictest of standards. The finished product is cleaned and polished by hand before being securely packaged, ready for your order.